Hello everyone, my name is William Obots, the moderator of afroScience Foundation. It is my pleasure to introduce afroScience Foundation to the world. afroScience Foundation is a system of science education that was developed and used by the ancestors of Africa in studying and understanding the working principles of nature, in giving an explanation to natural occurrences and making predictions about their occurrences. Just like every human race, science education started primitively and has always grown gradually with every generation, building upon what their ancestors had done, starting from where their ancestors stopped and taking it further. And the most developed technologies in the world are technologies of nations whose system of science education has been consistently developed and sustained over time. But nations that are not able to sustain technology, backward nations as far as technology is concerned, are nations had at one point in time been interrupted, disrupted, or replaced by another system alien to it, with a language that is not originally theirs. That is exactly what happened to Africa. At a point in time, colonization came in, disrupted the system of science, and replaced it with a new system, with a new language. And since then, from that point till now, Africa has witnessed a gradual decline in their ability to solve their problems in technology, in their ability to provide for their needs. Ever since the science education of Africa was replaced by a Western education, we have witnessed a dependency on foreign technology. Before the era of colonization, Africans were able to produce their needs at that primitive level. But presently, we have a whole lot of graduates out there in science and technology without a corresponding technological advancement. And this became a problem for Africa that needed a solution. And that is why afroScience Foundation came up, to build a team of researchers who will embark on a research process to find out where the system of science of African ancestors ended, and then take it from there and build it down to meet contemporary scientific realities. That is the role and aim of afroScience Foundation, and it is made up of members from 41 countries of Africa, having 41 chapters of afroScience with a headquarters in Nigeria. And we have capable hands managing different aspects of afroScience Foundation. We have the research team, we have the translation team, and we have the ICT team. And our grand patron, who has given us a moral backing and encouragement, he is a person of His Royal Majesty King Francis Kelechi Nwaneri, the grand patron of afroScience. He is the paramount chief of Africa and also the dean of ambassadors in the state of African diaspora. Another person is Professor Etim Udoesien, the dean of research and the patron of afroScience Foundation. We also have Professor Olalekan Bosra Sakaria, is the editor-in-chief of afroScience Foundation. We also have Dr. Ellen Zubari, the chairperson of the board of directors of afroScience Foundation. We also have Dr. Inebong Achibong, the head of research departments. We have Dr. Courage, the head of publication department, and a whole lot of other scholars like Dr. Maya Yehia, the regional coordinator of the Northern region of Africa. We have several scholars who have come together with so much zeal to see that we bring back the glory of Africa. We bring back the lost system of science that our forefathers spent several generations to develop and sustain. And we are focused on building up that system to meet with the contemporary scientific realities, to make sure that Africans can solve their problems, that the dependency on foreign supply is avoided, and that the future of African languages is guaranteed. So you are welcome to afroScience Foundation, and we plead with all Africans to support us with ideas, with prayers, with everything necessary to move afroScience forward. And by 2027, we assure Africans that we shall switch over to a system of science education that uses the various indigenous languages of Africa, and Africa will never be the same again.